and my head hit the wall. Boom! But I had a praying grandmother.
So guys, we are currently at SeaWorld in Orlando, doing a little impromptu family vacation type of vibes. It is hot. I got a show. Yeah, so we are out here going to enjoy some much needed family vacation. And it's an opportunity to reset, recharge, build those core memories. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. There's a lot of people out here. We're heading to Shark Wreck Reef. Yeah, it is a lionfish. This is cool. So you know, like at the airport, when you're just moving, this is what this is. So we're just moving along. So they did the rides. My husband passed out on the ride. He's okay. They didn't know it was going that high and then dropping down. So, you see, that's why I don't do roller coasters. I'm telling y'all. So we're doing the Dine with the Sharks experience. Yay! It looks so cool. So we got the lamb chops with fries. It's more like breakfast potatoes. And my husband got the sliders. The mashed potato with the lamb. I'm about to dig in. Now we're heading to Orca Encounter.
Makayo is our youngest whale at just 13 years old, and our oldest whale is Makayo's mother, Katina. Feel free to give the ladies a nice big wave hello. 3 female killer whales.
It has been fun. I had a good time. We are now heading back to the hotel. We might just go to the pool and chill for a bit. I was also thinking we could maybe try to get a Caribbean restaurant around here. Yeah, I know we're on vacation. We're supposed to eat something different, but sometimes familiarity it's the spot. Okay, so we might just end up doing that. I might show you guys when we're at the pool. Or I might just be in the moment and chill with my family. So we're just going across a bridge to head back to where we entered the park and to leave. There's a shuttle to our hotel, so we're gonna do that. This place is packed. Like, we came here a few years ago. I think they had just opened, but yeah, it's packed today. We got some brisket sandwiches, sliced brisket sandwiches, and just a few snacks. And we are heading back out. It's beautiful out here. So this is our final night here in Orlando, and we're just chilling at the pool. I will come back I will come back. It was good. We enjoyed SeaWorld. Really enjoyed the orcas. The food in Palm Coast was really good. We went to visit my in-laws. So at Sylvain's Caribbean restaurant. So I will go back. Okay. Yeah. Now the next time, I think we will do Universal. Universal Studios. Yeah, so the next time we come back, we would do Universal Studios. So next, you guys will see us at the airport.